We'll guide you through how to fix the Minecraft launcher not installing. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be annoying because then you can't go and start playing Minecraft, so we've got some different fixes you can try. To go and get started, press search in the model of your computer and you want to go and type in settings. Next, go to the left and press apps and you want to press installed apps. At the top, you need to go and type in Minecraft, find the launcher, press the three dots to the right. If you see the option, press advanced options. If you don't worry. Now you can scroll down, you want to press terminate and you want to press repair and reset. Go and see if the problem's solved. If it isn't, come back to installed apps. Find the options for Minecraft and press the three dots to the right and go and uninstall them. Do it for both. Now we're going to go and get Minecraft again. Do it the opposite way to what you did before. So if you went and got it from the Minecraft site, let's open up the Microsoft Store. If you got it from the Microsoft Store, go to the Minecraft site. So to go and get it from the store, first of all, press search at the bottom, type in Microsoft Store and open it up. Press search at the top and you can then go and type in Minecraft and you want to scroll down, find the launcher and click on it. And then what you can do is go and press install again and wait for it to go and download. When it has, you can then press play. Hopefully it will go and open and it's been successfully installed. To get it from the site, open up a web browser of your choice. Then what you want to do is go and type in Minecraft download like so. And you want to come to the site where it says download Minecraft and server software. Then you can press download for Windows and wait. Open up your downloads folder in your file explorer and double click on the Minecraft installer. Then what we can do is go and run it. Go and see if that works. If it doesn't, then what you want to do is come out of this, scroll down the page and you want to go and find Windows Legacy. Click here and wait for that to go and download. Find it in your downloads and try installing this. You get this pop-up and then what we can do is go and run through it. Press finish and it should launch and start updating. Hopefully you've now managed to install Minecraft. Leave a like if you found this useful.